Good morning, friends. It is breakfast time here at Better Homes and Gardens, and what is more perfect for breakfast than pancakes? Especially these pancakes, flavored with a little bit of honey and a touch of lemon to take it over the top, and it's got a not so secret ingredient that keeps them extra tender. Check this out. That's it. Cottage cheese was my secret ingredient. Just a container of that takes these pancakes over the moon. I hope you guys try it. I hope you guys love it, and I hope to see you guys next time.